All right, so we are going to go to Facebook and we are going to schedule a photo. So we're going to click on this. I am actually babysitting chickens. How's that? So we are going to post a photo about some chickens. Melissa is babysitting chickens this weekend. Can you believe somebody left chicken with me? Like live chicken. Okay, so here you have your picture. And then what you want to do is click this little schedule button right here under my name at the top. You're going to hit schedule. And then you can go wherever you want. We're going to post this at 10 a.m. on October 10th and hit save. And you can see right there it says October 10 at 10:47 a.m. and we're going to hit post. And then what you're going to do is you should be able to see, I wonder if you can see scheduled from mobile. That I don't know. I have not looked to see. Ooh, scheduled posts. Let's see if our chicken's in here. Bark, bark. Okay, we got our chickens. There you go. So that's how you schedule from mobile.